What's up, momshies and friends? Welcome back to my channel. So today starts our 2-week vacation trip to Germany, Italy, and France. So our first stop over, we're gonna have an overnight stay here in Badwaldsee. It's a very beautiful town in Batten-wüttenberg, in Germany, near the state of Bavaria. If you're ready, then let's get started. Los geht's! Super huge, my god. Can dance here. Let's have a dance practice, everyone. Look at that. My gosh, it's super huge. Nakakaya sa kapitbahay. It's a glass door. Wow! Huge bed. One is like queen and this one is double size. And then there's another sofa bed. And a huge space for dancing. You can dance here. Cookie Mal. And then here's a CR, washroom. CR, look at that CR. Let's see, check it out. Malaki rin siya, oh. Pero may shower na maliit. Stock area. And here's the kitchen. Pag may extra bed pa sa kitchen. Oh, may coffee maker. And mini ref.
Ein Platz, wir hatten einen Stuhl.
Super! Urlaub!
In Urlaub.
That's a hotel in front of our apartment. Hotel Altes Tor. After we unpacked, we wandered around the Centrum, which is just a few steps from our accommodation. Waldsee, 1970. Very small town, pero nandito tayo sa right in the middle. And we dine in one of the most famous restaurants here, just in front of the town hall, called the Gasthaus zum Hirschen. Hello, Amara. That was indeed super delicious. And of course, I won't call it a night without a dessert. Good thing there's the Ice Cafe just below our accommodation. Good morning, sunshine! And since we are only staying here for a night, we woke up early to enjoy this beauty. Get ready, baby she and ate she! Just in front of our accommodation is the City Museum. It has its own charm with fountain in front, which adds relaxing water sound. So we're gonna do a round tour starting from here in the main road to the castle and then later to the lake. Badwaldsee is a town in Upper Swabia in Batten-Wüttenberg, Germany. It is known for its historic old city and many landmarks and large pedestrian zone. This beautiful town impresses us with its unique location between two lakes, the Stadtsee and the Schlosssee. Health, rest, relaxation, and charming atmosphere promise an impressive experience in the incomparable natural landscape and the medieval city center. We decided to have our lunch here in the market, and of course, we ordered the very famous bratwurst.
Meron ditong mga stalls parang sa fest. Pero they don't have a fest. Parang regular thing lang siya dito. Hi!
Waldsee Castle is located just a stone's throw from the city center in the middle of the watercourse. The building was occupied by members of the family until the death of Prince Franz Ludwig in 1989. Today, the castle is used commercially. The two upper floors are in independent units divided into different sizes. Different rooms and areas inside and outside of the castle can be rented for events such as weddings, family celebrations, and company celebrations. Baroque and Gothic architectural design buildings stand side by side in the more than 700-year-old city. Health-conscious people will find the ideal environment for health holidays, spa treatments, and rehabilitation in Badwaldsee. The hilly countryside, with its churches and chapels, is the icing on the cake. On the right side of the town, facing the north, there you will find the Badwaldsee or the lake.
Ay, ang ganda. Malinis siya. Ayun, may nagsuswimming.
The Stadtsee can be seen as the Badwaldsee's visiting card. It's right in the middle of the town, and the walk around the lake is popular with locals and guests alike. The lake is used by the municipal outdoor pool as a bathing lake. There is also a boat rental, and the municipal rowing club uses it as a training water.
Paddle boat. How much for €4 for 2 persons? And additional €2 for additional person. So safety first. We need to wear our life jacket. Yeah. Here's our captain.
Denkst du mal?
Captain Miri.
Oh, jetzt kann man. So, jetzt wieder nach vorne. So.
Here's our boat father, the Captain Miri.
Sag mal hallo.
Hello, Captain Miri.
Hallo.
The beach and outdoor pool Badwaldsee is undoubtedly one of the most beautiful in the region. The natural lake, located in front of the picturesque backdrop of the historic Old Town, offers an unforgettable visual impression. Connected to the inner city via the much-awaited shore path, the lake is directly adjacent to the city center. It's not without reason that it bears the name Stadtsee. It is only a few steps from the Waldsee tour along the lake, after which visitors will discover the landmark of the outdoor pool and the 90-meter slide, one of the main attractions of a well-run leisure facility for children and the young at heart. A tree-lined meadow landscape stretches over 30,000 square meters between the beach and the outdoor pool. On the other hand, the lake invites swimmers into the cool water for long distances. In addition, a sports pool, a non-swimmer pool, a children's padding pool, and of course, the said giant slide offer bathing fun for every taste in the midst of the sunbathing facilities. We would definitely love to swim here if we have more time. But as of the moment, boating is the perfect activity for our family. In the end, we enjoyed very much our one-stop overnight stay in Badwaldsee. After our lunch, we drove again on our way to Switzerland. Then, we'll see you there! If you love videos like this and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the red button and the notification bell so you'll be updated. Thank you so much for watching and bis zum nächsten Mal! Tschüss!